So hi WordPress buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this YITH WooCommerce membership premium plugin in just $3 with lifetime update and license key enabled. So here in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can purchase this and how you can install it in your website. So now here you have to fill your basic details. Now I want to tell you the advantage why you should purchase this plugin from us. So the advantage of purchasing this plugin from us is if you purchasing it, then you will get lifetime update with this plugin, so you no need to worry about any update, and this update will be directly in your WordPress dashboard. So directly from your WordPress dashboard you will get each and every update, so there is no issues with it. And definitely this is not any null copy or GPL plugin, so auto update will be there, so no worry about it. So I will purchase it and I will show you how to install it. Now you see this, after the payment will be successfully done, you will get the file. So simply download it. See, the download is done. Now it's time to install and activate it. Now you have to go to the plugins, add new plugin, upload plugin, choose file. This is the plugin that we have downloaded. Install it simply. Now see this, the plugin is activated. No problem. You see this. You see this. You see this. Now from here you can create this membership plans, and that is all the settings. You can take help of any YouTube video for this, else if I will teach each and everything, then this video will be long. Just simply here you can make the membership plans. You can write the title. Here there are options. So these are all the settings that you can do from your side. So these are all the settings that you can do from your side. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, then give this video a like and please subscribe my channel, because subscribers are very important now. So that's it, and thank you and bye bye.